So we were able to get the car up on the lift. We're working on it a little bit more tonight. We did find out our cooling issue. We had a hose back here that had broken off of the connector. So what we're going to be doing tonight is showing you how to do a heater core bypass. And then we've already started a little bit on our weight reduction. We pulled the windshield wipers off and they're not going back on the vehicle. And then soon, once we start to pull the interior apart, we're also going to be taking out the heater core itself. So for the heater core, we have 3 connectors that go into it. Normally there's only 2, so you would just take them off and then loop them around like we did on the E30 and the E46. This one has 3, so when you back up a little bit, there's one that goes in here and it splits, and that's where you get the 3, you get the third one from there. So we're going to use this bottom one and the furthest one and loop them around. It's pretty simple. So this one comes from the back of the water pump, and this one just down here comes from the back of the block. These are the 2 that we're going to be looping. In order to do that, all we did was reuse one of the hoses that we took off. Got a couple connectors. These go from, I'm not sure the size on them, but they go from small to big and from big to small. And that way we can put this one on the bigger one and put this on the smaller one, and this will just loop it back through. So this is the bypass all done up, and it's good now.
That wasn't.